Seconds here. Had a couple of technical difficulties with getting the session started, but we're all good to go. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you may be. My name is Bojan Petreski, go by Bo. Easiest say to remember, we'll be doing the 3D market commentary really quickly, and then we'll be getting started with the future session for today. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is the 3D market newsletter. This is the 3D market approach that we take. We look at the market climate, buy and sell UFOs, and market volatility. Um, we're going to analyze a couple of different markets here to see what we got going on with around the world, I would say. Primarily focusing on futures over here with the added flavor of Bitcoin afterwards. Looking at a market climate up, it is confirmed second day out of typically 9. We had a pretty substantial drop, but then an even more substantial uh, return to these all-time highs, which is kind of like the same scenario here, a repetition of it, so to speak, over there. Um, Sell UFO, we don't have anything because we're at all-time highs. The buy UFO is actually the one that was created right here. That's going from 4440.5 to 4347.75. So very close to current market price. Based on the VIX, we're at 70.28%. Daily expected move about 50 points. All right, now if you're looking for education, please look no further than here. You can use this link here to browse our courses and register for one. We offer future stocks, forex, backtesting, trading plans, and trading psychology. And then, of course, this is the key thing right here: 3-month complimentary access of auto UFOs and auto climate. Should you purchase any one course, that in itself is definitely worth the money. Let me just double check here that we're all good to go. Auto UFOs and auto climate. All right, good stuff. Okay, so moving on to crude oil. The market climate is down as of today. It is a confirmed down climate the 8th day out of typically 7. Looking at sell UFOs, where price currently is right now, 65.73 to 69.19. And the buy UFO down below is 60.77 to 58.73. Based on the OVX, we're looking at 38.67% volatility, so that's elevated volatility. The daily expected move of $1.62 is most likely already done. Yeah, we have a high of 66.89 and a low of 65, so we're good before it even opens. Okay, now if you do need the Auto UFOs app and the Auto Climate app, we have it available for on TradingView, TradeStation, and MetaTrader, and it comes with monthly or yearly memberships. Okay, gold. We are looking at an up climate. It is not confirmed. Gold has just not been picking a direction for a little bit now. We had this, we had this pretty, strong pullback down. We pulled up quite a bit, kind of went stagnant sideways over here, and now we've pulled back up again into these 1800 numbers, which is within a UFO. Of course, this UFO has been more than tested over here. I'm sure there may still be some sell orders there, but the highest concentration I would say is in this range where this UFO is actually located located at. Excuse me. Um, 15.84% volatility on gold, 18 bucks for the move. Gold is open, high of 1809, low of 1802, so not yet. Okay, very indecisive candle right there forming at the open of the day. All right, now if you do need coaching or support, we do offer monthly, yearly, or all-inclusive memberships. This is memberships that you can sign up and speak to any one of the instructors that you would want to. Schedule sessions, go over questions, go over trades that you've taken, maybe analysis, and so on. So definitely check it out. Okay, looking at the dollar index, confirmed down climate. Unconfirmed down climate. This is the first one out of typically 6. A new UFO has formed there, 93.45, 45.5. to 93,750, and then a buy UFO down below at 92,665 to 92,470. Based on the EVZ, we're looking at 5.4%. The dollar did make a new high over here. It did break through this range that it was basically more or less stuck for this entire time. Um, so it did make a new high, broke out, made that new high, and then has since then pulled back into this area again. So we're going to see what's going to happen next. Now, if you don't want to read this overview, myself and my colleague Becky do this overview every day, Monday through Friday. You can watch it on our YouTube channel. You can click this link here to like and subscribe to the channel. That would be greatly appreciated. Last but not least, Bitcoin. So Bitcoin hit that coveted 50,000 mark again, and speaking of Bitcoin, we're looking about end of July, right? It was around this 2730 area, right? And now we're middle of August, and it has more or less close to doubled again. So we're going to see what's going to happen with Bitcoin. Some sideways action there, and another pop back up. The sell UFO is up above at 57,975 to 54,500. The buy UFO is actually the one that just created here, 47,167 to 43,945. Elevated volatility, $5,000 on the day. I mean, if you're trading Bitcoin, please be very, very aware of its volatility. It is something that definitely can move in your favor, but it can move against you very fast as well. All right. Now, if you're interested, we have some questions. You can schedule a clarification call here. You can go over courses, apps, coaching, or memberships with any one of our offers that we have here on the newsletter that I just presented for you. All right. As far as news, nothing today. We do have durable goods tomorrow, non-defense capital goods on Wednesday, and then of course the important one is the GDP annualized for Q2. All right, folks, that's that for today. A couple more news, I guess, that Jackson Hole Symposium and another speech. So other than that, not a whole bunch going on. All right, folks, I'll catch you later in the futures trading session. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.